dinos! Welcome to Numbers with Kitty Cat. I'm Kitty. How's all my dinos doing at home? It must be hard for you. If you ever feel worried or need to calm down, just close your eyes, my dinos, and take a slow and deep breath and slowly exhale. Let's do it together. Are you ready? Okay. First, breathe in slow and deep. Keep going. Now exhale slowly. Okay, let's do it one more time. Breathe in slowly. Keep going. Okay, now exhale. Do you feel better, my dinos? Okay, good. Now let's move on to our worksheets. Remember, in the button where it says show more, you'll find a link that you could print out the worksheet so we could do it together. First, let's write our name. I chose purple to write my name. What color did you choose? Oh, I love that color. Great job. Now that we're done, let's read the directions. Color the numbers that are similar. Let's read it one more time. Color the numbers that are similar. Today's number is the number 5. Are you ready, my dinos? You got this. Is this a 5? Yes, great job, dinos. Color in that 5. I knew you could do it. Okay, let's keep going. Is this a 5? Nope, that's a 4. Is this a 5? Nope, that's a 1. Is this a 5? Nope, that's a 4. How about this one? Nope, that's a 7. Let's keep going. And this one? That's a 3. And this number? Nope, that's a 8. Great job. How about this one? Correct, that's a 5. Let's color in the 5. You should feel proud of yourselves, dinos. You did that all by yourselves. Okay, dinos, you're on the right track. Let's keep going. Is this a 5? Great job. Is this a 5? Perfect, dinos. Color in that number 5. Your brains must be working hard. You figured it out so quickly, dinos. Let's keep going. Is this a 5? Nope, that's a 4. And this one? Great job, dinos. Color in that 5. You guys are doing great. Let's keep going, dinos. Is this a 5? Nope, that's a 6. And this one? Nope, that's a 3. And this one? Great job, dinos. That's the way to do it. Let's color in that 5. Now that my dinos know just what to do, let's keep going. Is this a 5? Nope, that's a 2. And this one? Nope, that's a 8. And this number? Nope, that's a 6. Is this a 5? Nope, that's a 4. Last but not least, great job, dinos. That's not a 5. Now it says, how many numbers did you color? Let's read it one more time. How many numbers did you color? Let's count how many 5s we colored today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I counted 5. Let's count one more time to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5. Did all my dinos count 5 as well? Great job. Let's write in the number 5. I knew you could figure it out, my dinos. Now, let's not forget to color the last big 5. Any color you like. Sensational job, dinos! You must have been practicing. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye, my dinos!
Hi, everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!